So we have this cool game called Honey Buzz, and it has a lot of pieces and a lot of small pieces. And as you all know, keeping up with these pieces in games like this and trying to keep things organized can be a hassle. But thanks to Thairo, we found a 3D print boxes that can organize this game. So in this video, we're showing what these boxes look like and how we put them into the game to organize it and keep everything where it should be. Just a quick little video. Hope you all enjoy it, and let's do some 3D printing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We're trying to grow our channel. We will be printing these organized boxes on our Bamboo A1 with the AMS. Now, I organized the tray to where we can print several of the boxes and the lids at one time, and they fit on there pretty good. We had no issues with the Bamboo A1 printing these. They printed perfect. We really liked the Bamboo A1, and it's just so easy to print on it. Basically, it's find your print, load it, and hit print, and it's just that simple. Now we do have an Elgu sitting beside the Bamboo A1. We like that printer too, but it is more involved than the Bamboo A1. The Bamboo A1, I guess I should say, is more user friendly, but it did a great job, as you can see in this video, and I highly recommend, if you're looking for a 3D printer, to get the Bamboo A1. And if you want multiple colors, get the AMS with it. And if you don't mind tinkering a little bit with 3D printer, the Elgu Neptune Pro 4 is a great 3D printer. But let's get these boxes printed and get our game pieces in the boxes so this will be organized for future gameplay.